So now, I will review the patient's chart, mobility status, and yung IV fluid. Okay, assuming that I am now done checking the patient's chart and mobility status, this ensures safe and protection of the patient. So after that, I will perform a hand hygiene. And I will wear a PPE if needed. So this prevents infection transmission or the spread of microorganisms. And now I will identify the patient and explain the procedure. So good afternoon, ma'am. I am Luis Lyrel Del Rosario and I am your student nurse for today. So can I check for your wristband and kindly state your name and your birth date, ma'am?
Patient received the doctor September 20, 2006.
Okay, ma'am. Now, I will explain the procedure po. So, sa procedure po na ito, ito-transfer ko po kayo from bed to chair. This ensures your protection and your safety po and ma-reduce din po yung anxiety. So, now, I will prepare the environment. I will provide a privacy, close the curtains, and close the door as well. This ensures po na mabibigyan ko po kayo ng comfortable na environment and privacy. And after that po, I will position the bed from higher to lower, and yung pong bed ay yung head po ng bed is itataas po natin for sitting position. Okay, I am going to lock po yung bed and yung chair. Okay, after that po, I will assist the patient to move forward po dito po sa side po nito. Ma'am, can you move po po dito? I will assist you naman po. Okay. So, after that po, I will lower the side rails for me to move easier. And after that po, i-help ko po yung patient na makaupo po dito po sa side na to. Ma'am, can you move po dito? Ma'am, do you feel any dizziness po? Di naman po kayo nahihilo or wala naman po kayo nakifeel? Okay, ma'am. Now, I will apply a robe or non-skid footwear. Pero ngayon po, footwear po yung meron po tayo. So, kindly, please wear po yung footwear po ninyo. Okay. So, after that po, I will position myself comfortably. Mag-stand po ako dito para makamove po ako and ma-help ko po kayo na maayos. And after that po, ipuposition ko po yung client sa edge po dito. Ma'am, can you please move pa po? Okay. Ma'am. So, after that po, i-assist ko po yung patient to stand. So, on the count of 3, ma'am, kindly stand. And i-help ko naman po kayo para makamove po kayo na maayos. Okay? 3, 2, 1. So, ma'am, i-assist ko po kayo papunta po dito sa chair. Okay, ma'am. Sit po kayo na maayos. And yung armrest po, pakipatong po yung kamay po ninyo. So, ma'am, comfortable po ba kayo sa position na meron po kayo ngayon sa chair? So, if na-ensure, after ensuring the patient's chair po dito, now I am going to remove my PPE and do the hand washing. Okay po, I'm done with my procedure and now I will move to chair to bed.